6 minutes and 3 seconds remaining in this thrilling matchup between Milwaukee Bucks and Golden State Warriors. Warriors, abante ng 5. Panoorin po natin, magandang laban po ito. Butler kontra Kuzma. Binigay kay Kuminga. Butler ulit. Umatake. Nilabas. GP2 for 3. Bang! Gary Payton! 3! Balik sa 8 kalamangan ng Warriors. Lillard kontra post. Binigay kay Taurean Prince. Taurean Prince! 3! Gumante ng 3. Ang Bucks. Baba sa 5 ang kalamangan ng Warriors. GP2 to Butler. Aatakihin ang depensa ni Kuzma. Wala. Rebound. Prince. Lillard kontra GP2. Bibigyan ng pick. Lopez to Lillard from the parking lot. Wala. Rebound. Butler. Butler kontra Lopez. Moody. Ganda ng depensa. Nangadapa. Foul. Ito po yung replay ng paungulit ni Prince. Tinawagan ng foul. Draymond Green. Moody for 3. Wala. Rebound. Taurean Prince. Oops. Jump ball. Ito yung replay. Nag-agawan si Giannis saka si Taurean Prince. Oops. May pagkakataon. Nakihawak sa bola. Nag-agawan magkakampi eh.
Plus or minus 5 points. Maybe go that way. And he tries to get it to Draymond. Giannis touched it.
Kanino bola? Box ball?
And it will be Warrior ball.
Warriors ball?
Giannis to go get that ball.
Ito po yung replay.
But it's going to be hard to get.
Ayan po, tapik nga po ni Giannis. Malinaw.
Brent just pointed the wrong direction.
Warriors ball.
Now can you make this possession pay off?
GP2, mingi si Draymond. Pinasa kay Butler. Wala. Rebound, Taurean Prince. Binigay kay Giannis. Foul. 2 free throws for Giannis. First throw. Pasok. Second throw. Pasok. Baba sa 3 ang kalamangan ng Warriors. Uchemski nagbababa ng bola. To Green. To Butler. Bantay na naman ni Kuzma. Fade away shot. Wala. Uchemski para sa offensive rebounds. Body healed. Wala pa rin. Giannis, inuha ang rebound. Giannis kontra Green. May 5 fouls niya si Green. Giannis, hook shot. Wala. Good defense para sa Warriors. Ops. Nice pass. Inilabas muna. Butler kontra Giannis. Uchemski to Butler, umatake. Nice offensive foul. Ito po yung replay. Offensive foul. Back to the ball game po tayo. 2 minutes 57 seconds remaining. 3 po ang lamang ng Warriors. 93-96. Lillard kontra GP2. Gary Trent. Wala.
You're able to stay home. Not too much
Butler.
help that time.
May hawak ng bola. Parehas malamig.
Ball's gotta go
Both
through the
teams.
basket. Leading by 3 with 2:25 left.
Gandang depensa. Green.
Cleanly.
To Podziemski. Open look. Bang! Brandon Podziemski. 3! 6 po ang lamang ng Warriors.
Helping out him in no man's land. Wasn't able to get back out.
Green kontra Giannis.
1-4 set for Giannis.
Aatake ba? Binigay kay Lillard. Lillard kontra GP2. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Rebound Podziemski.
You can't do it any better than that if you're GP.
Gandang depensa ni GP2.
Lucky kid. Having a game with 14.
Butler, binigyan ng pick kontra Lillard. Oh. Gusto niya tong matchup na to. GP2, pasok yan! Para kay GP2, time out, box! Ito po yung replay
He has some wave
ng tres ni Podziemski.
something else. At age 22, he is not afraid of the moment. He's got some moxie.
Ito naman ang nice assist
Where's the rust?
ni Jimmy Butler.
Non-existent. He's unfazed, unbothered, missing time, coming back in. The Butler creation for GP2. I mean, the Warriors are just trying to find
Lillard ulit kumuha ng bola.
game. They built the lead
Aatake.
down the lane, and he will flip it
Wala pa rin!
loose.
Tapi ka ng bola, nakuha ni Podziemski.
Now the clock is on your side. Just take
Butler may hawak ng bola, maghubos ng oras yan.
as well as the Bucks
Mataas IQ niyan.
in Milwaukee. Can you sweep the series?
Butler kontra threat, papasukin.
Butler.
Nilabas, Podziemski na naman, 4-3. Bang! Brandon Podziemski, dagger 3!
Just a subtle movement.
11 na po ang lamang.
They can't keep up with it. They can't find him.
Walang mapuntahan. Ang Bucks. May takip ang ring. Giannis,
Lillard will cycle it around
walang mapuntahan.
with the shot clock at 5.
Torian
Torian
Prince, tumira, wala pa rin. Great defense para sa Warriors.
Jason
Nagtatayuan na po at pinalalakpakan ng Warriors.
by the Dubs.
Mukhang panalo po ang Warriors kahit wala si Stephen Curry.
At 5.
Brandon Podziemski, tatatlo ba?
Step 3.
Wala naman ngayon.
The Dubs are gonna love it to stop. The Bucks
Ito po yung mga good play at 3 points ni Podziemski. Dagger po yung mga yan.
Everybody focused on the Jimmy Butler drive. When they turn their heads, you move. Jimmy's gonna find you. This is a great
Ito, matake pa si Lillard. Wala pa rin. May takip ang ring ng Bucks.
previous.
Panalo po
14 and
ang Warriors. Congratulations
7-3 this season.
sa Warriors fans.
That is remarkable. Jimmy
Congrats po.
bench came in.
Kung nagustuhan nyo po, please follow. Maraming salamat po.